How to do the photo swipe trend on TikTok. Hi everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Let's learn how to do the photo swipe trend. And before we start, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this in the future. Now the first step is to make sure that your app is updated. If it's up to date, you will be sure that you have all of the latest features. Now open TikTok and click on the little plus sign in the center here to create a new TikTok video. Now click on the upload button on the right to open your photo gallery. Now select multiple photos that you want in your video. And the order in which you choose the photos is the order in which they will be in your video. You can rearrange the photos by long pressing on them and dragging them. When you finish, click on Next. Here you should see a switch to photo mode option. If you see a switch to video option, don't click on it. If you click it, the photos won't be displayed in a swiping order like this. If you don't have this feature, it probably isn't available yet. So you can wait, or try from a different device, or try using a VPN. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.